Hey guys, I'm back. I am uploading part one. I'm sorry for having to cut that off and for getting this up so late. I had a test that I took tonight, so I'm just now getting home and getting back to it. So hopefully, maybe I'll see some of you ding on here because I'm sure you're sitting at home watching something on YouTube. If not, then you can watch it in the morning before the lesson. So let me go ahead and flip you around here. So where my last lesson left off there on part one, we were talking about how many liters are in 3,000 milliliters. So on my place value chart, I'm going to put a 3 in the milliliters part. I have 3,000 milliliters, but I can add as many zeros as I want. But because this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, a 3 in the thousandths place would go right here. So even though it looks like this, we have to think in terms of place value. And so there's a 3 in the thousandths place. So if I am moving that to liters, I move it 1 time, 2 times. I gotta cross over the decimal to 3 times. And so here is liters. So when I move that 3 times over to liters, I end up with the whole number of 3. So 3,000 milliliters is 3 liters. So what if I had is that? So I can come back and I'm always going to use this same chart. This chart is just about the prefixes. So 240 centimeters would go 240 centimeters. Who poked on there? I see somebody logged on. Welcome, welcome. So if I want to take that to meters, I would carry that over. And my answer, I'm moving, let's see, from centimeters. 1, 2. Whoops, I forgot. I put it in the wrong spot. I'm sorry. 24. 1, 2 times. And my answer becomes 2.4 meters. So I want you to think about it. The centimeters are those little tiny lines on the ruler, right? And so if the entire ruler is made up of these little lines, it's going to take a lot of these to equal a smaller meter. So when you are going from something tiny to something big, remember centimeters. No, Evan, I hate to hear that. Well, I hope you're feeling better, buddy. We missed you today. Thanks for logging in. That is rough. No more Denny's for you. But if I look, I see a decimal and I see my centimeters here. So I know I'm working with something small. And so it's going to take a lot of small to make a little bit of big. Okay? So I want you to think about if I had just the Unifix cubes here and I have 1, it takes 10 to make a tens stick. So it's going to take a lot of these to make only 1 of these. So anytime you're going from small to big, your number is going to get smaller. So tomorrow we're going to do some more practicing with putting these numbers on the place value chart and then converting them to another metric unit. So if you are still struggling with your mnemonic device for remembering the order, remember you have King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. problem set together, and you can get some more practice, and we'll work on those review sheets. You guys have a great night.